gotta keep trying. You gonna get it, Benson?
It won't.
Do you see that? Yeah. Are you going to get it? Oh, there you go.
It won't open up, Mom.
Keep pushing the on button, Kaylee. Are you pushing the on button at all? Or are you pushing the off but the... Oh.
It's on and off.
Okay.
This is just like flashes and then flashes and then
There you go. Beating it up. First of all, you need to take that thing off of there. You going to get it, Vincent? You doing, Vincent? Here, I don't know where. No. You getting it? No! I'm not arguing. Don't ask me anymore.
we have to, for my batteries, we have to have 2 A's.
Are you getting it? Yeah, you gonna talk to it now?
Let me get me some
Tell him.
batteries.
You were trying to get that toy. He's got this toy that he's trying to get.
It's the battery.
You gonna get it, Benson?
It's just the battery.
You get it, Benson? Yeah. No, I don't have any AA batteries. No. I don't have any AA batteries. His little legs just a kicking and a kicking. What?
You gonna play with your toys? You gonna play with
Aren't you trying to get it, Vincent? Yeah, I know. That time you got it. Hey. Vincent. You getting frustrated now? Huh? Vincent? You need to go to your room. Hey, up here, Vincent. Go, baby. Go. Just trying to figure it out, huh? Trying to get his arms going.
learning how to touch things.
Now he's learning how to reach one. Get my bed. Tim trying to get that toy right there. It's the toy that makes all the noise, huh?
Like, what's that, Mommy?
Vincent, now he's not paying attention to Mommy. He just got his eyes fixed on this toy, don't you?
He said, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't
have something you can hang on to when you try to get it.
But if I have a
gonna
case,
get it,
then I can
Vincent?
put it in there.
I know. Bless him! Oh my goodness. There's a Vincent! Here's my Vincent! Vincent, where you going?